Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to back up Ambire Wallet recovery phrase. Ambire Wallet is a secure, easy to use crypto wallet that allows you to store, send and receive cryptocurrency safely. One of the most important steps to protect your crypto is backing up your recovery phrase, and this phrase is the only way to restore your wallet. If you lose access to your device, or keeping it safe is critical. In this guide I'll show you step by step on how to back up your Ambire Wallet recovery phrase securely. So first you need to launch your Ambire Wallet on your browser extension. If you have it, open to your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner we can find this pins extension. Select this and select to this Ambire Wallet. And once you open to your wallet, what you can do is you need to go to your account settings in the top left. Over here, once you reach into this interface of your Ambire Wallet, in the top right corner we can find this three-line icon. You need to select to this three-line icon here. And once you reach into the settings interface, what you can do is select to this recovery phrases and select manage. Over here, what you can do is select this reveal phrase. Over here, in order to reveal the phrase, you need to confirm the extension password. Type down your password that you have set it when you created your account and select submit. And that is it. This is how you can back your Ambire Wallet recovery phrase. Backing up your Ambire Wallet recovery phrase is the most important step to protect your crypto. Secure offline backup ensures that even if your device is lost, stolen or damaged, you can still recover your funds. Always keep it private, offline and in a secure location, and never share it with anybody. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.